tired, unfocused, unmotivated, weak. If these 4 words describe your daily life, the problem isn't your mindset. It's your testosterone. And the scary part is, most guys don't even realize it's happening to them. Most people keep blaming themselves. But sometimes the system is the problem. Subscribe if you want videos that help you understand both. Why testosterone matters and what happens when it drops. Testosterone is not just about muscle. It controls your energy, focus, confidence, and drive. It pushes you to take action. When it drops, everything slows down. Getting out of bed feels hard. Starting work feels heavy. Even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Motivation doesn't disappear suddenly. It slowly turns into low energy and mental fog. Researchers found that today's average 22-year-old has testosterone levels similar to a 67-year-old man from the year 2000. Read that again. Your grandfather at 67 may have had more hormonal drive than you do right now. Signs your testosterone is low. Sign 1. You struggle to get out of bed, not because you're lazy, but because your system feels drained. Sign 2. Everything feels overwhelming, small tasks feel bigger than they are. Sign 3. Brain fog. You forget things quickly, you can't focus properly. Sign 4. No progress in strength or body. Even if you try, you stay stuck in the same place. Sign 5. Confidence drops. Things that used to feel easy now feel difficult. If this feels like you, pay attention. 5 steps to fix your testosterone. Step 1. Fix your sleep. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Less sleep means lower hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. Step 2. Train heavy. Not just cardio. Do compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push movements. Challenge your body. Step 3. Get sunlight. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, and vitamin D supports testosterone. Spend at least 20 minutes outside every morning. Step 4. Eat properly. Your hormones are built from your food. Eat eggs, meat, nuts, and healthy fats. Reduce junk food and sugar. Step 5. Reduce stress. Stress increases cortisol, and cortisol directly lowers testosterone. Less overthinking, less scrolling, more calm focus. You are not lazy. You are not broken. But your habits, your sleep, your stress, and your lifestyle affect your body more than you think. Now you know what's happening. I've been through similar patterns myself. That's why I don't want you stuck in it. I'm creating content that helps you solve real-life problems like this. So if you want to improve your focus, discipline, and mindset, subscribe and stay with me. Let's improve together.